In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use the pen registration system for the LEJ 640FT. Raise the gantry to its top Z position using the keypad. For this pen registration method, we will be using Origin 1. Now you can place your media on the table. And now you can insert your pins. Now that you've placed your pins, firmly position your media up against them. Check your X and Y axis and make sure that the position is good. Now you're ready to remove the pins. Firmly hold your media and remove your pins. Once you've removed all pins from the table, you're now ready to do your basic print setup.